In this video, I will show you how to change your LinkedIn language. So to do this, just go and open up LinkedIn, and then in the top right, you want to click on me right here and go to settings and privacy. Now, once you are in your settings, from here you will see under general preferences, the first option here is language, although you also have content language, but for now I will just change the language here. And then you can see for me it's set to English. And from here you can just change it to whichever language you want. For example, I'll do Dutch, and then right here it will now refresh LinkedIn, and now everything is in Dutch, as you can see right here. Now you can change it to any of these languages. So this is basically the language of the interface on LinkedIn, and the other option here, which is content language, and this is which language do you want content on LinkedIn to be translated into. So for example, if a lot of content that you read is in English, but you want to read it in Dutch, for example, then here I could set it to Dutch, and then everything will be translated into Dutch, or at least the content from other people. But again, to just change the language of the LinkedIn interface, just select the language option, which is at the top right there. So now you know how to change your LinkedIn language. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.